Well,
It's mysterious.
first thing, well, Ella just came and like decided to stop the video.
Okay, so does
So
everyone
that's
have
part
the
one.
equation written something like this? 0.87 divided by 0.3, and it's turned into. If I flip it over.
Flip. Yeah, it's a flip.
I need a better board, don't I?
We also need a better camera.
So now it should be. So 0.3 turned into 3, and 0. Became 8.7 because you want to move the decimal point to the right. So now you draw your house. 3's into 8.7. So has everyone got to that point because you've moved the decimal point over?
No.
So Jacob, you need to move your decimal point over.
Decimal point?
That one. So you've already made that one 3. So you've got to do the same to this number. So
Sorry,
it becomes.
Mr. McLennan, I haven't gotten up to that part.
That's all right.
My arm has been too busy hurting.
Shaking, don't shake. Okay, so Demi, you've got that. Yep, sweet. And you've written that up, Nick. Okay, so let's solve it. 3's into 8.
I need a camera stand.
2. So I put the 2 like this, and 2 over here. 3's into 27. 9.
3's into 22.
Oh, okay. So 3's into 8 goes twice because 2 3's are 6. And then you've got 2 left over. So I'll put the 2 down here.
3's into 87.
Yep,
No, it's 8.7.
it's 8.7.
Oh, I was doing it differently.
Yeah, I did it that way. But
So
yeah.
3's into 8 goes twice with 2 left over. 3's into 27 goes 9 times, and you put the decimal point straight up. So therefore the answer 2.9. And you can check it out on the calculator. And I think we're correct.
Answer is 2.9.
So 8.7 divided by 3.
2.9. Okay, we got the answer. 2.9.
What did you type in? 8.7 divided by 8.7 divided by 3.
Squared by 4 pretty much.
0.8.
Oh, 0.87 divided by 0.3.
Wait, so
3's. So we divided it by 3's into 2.9. 2.9 is
7.
So wasn't you haven't moved the decimal point in the other number?
0. Oh, wait.
The original was 0.3.
Divided by
Alright, so I'm going to give you guys a sheet.
0.3. 2.9.
2.9?
we have a sheet.
Okay, so here's the follow-ups. So can you guys, before you disappear, just do the next 2 across the page for me?
Can you pass me a sheet? Oh, this is the same
You can
sheet.
have that one. That one. And
This is
so the next one is 0.59 divided by 0.1.
Where's this?
your pen.
Get a pen?
So what one are we doing?
Where's your pencil case?
What are we doing?
Hold that scale over the
We're doing the third one now. 0.1 or 0.59 divided by 0.1.
0.5.
Why?
So can you like rewrite it?
I'm talking.
Yep.
I'm busy straining my arms. It's like a workout for me.
Okay. So this is going to become.
Who's doing my sheet for me?
One
Nice teacher.
5.9.
You agree with that? Because I've made it 1 decimal point over. So
Yep.
it becomes 1. And then 0.59 becomes 5.9.
Yep.
So 1's into 5.
5.9.
Yeah.
1's into 9. How many times?
5.9 times maybe.
Sweet. That's your answer.
5.9.
Oh, good. I thought I was wrong. I was like,
I know. It's like
Look
silly.
at that. So it's so easy.
So it's not designed to be hard, it's just trying to take the decimal confusion
It wants you to feel. It wants you to.
Yep. It becomes 8 into 60.
yep.
This is the question.
How many times is that?
Turns into this.
So 8.
Ends up
What's tables got off the board? 8 sevens are.
Check.
8, 7.
56, yeah. So 7, 8, 56, but with 4 left over. So what you can do is,
So that's 56.
yep, so you go, so 8's into 6 you can't. 8's into 60 goes 7 times, but there's 4 left over. So you can put a decimal point there now, and put a 4, and go 0. 8's into 40.
my 8 times 7 very well.
That's alright.
8. Was it 8?
8's into 40. Yep. So then go back to the calculator and check.
I need to zoom in.
Have a look. So
To be correct.
goes 60 or 60 divided by 8 or 0.8 divided by 4.
This is actually straining my arm. We're at the second part, which is very fun.
Or you might not want to
Did you get it?
I must have done it.
Yeah, what's the answer?
Try again. What did you put?
Wait, do I put in
So you're doing, which one are you doing?
0.1?
Now what's being divided? What's being divided into and what one's being divided?
Is it?
0.59 divided by
Wait,
0.1.
should do 0.59 divided
Yeah. 0.59 divided by
It does not make sense. So
0.5.
No.
I don't understand that one.
which is
Is it 5.89 or just 5.8?
because that next number we go to
So
the
that
next
807.58, yeah.
Just trying to get it the most
Teachers it up.
but any other
807, yes they can. 807.5,
5.9 will come up with
I guess divided by 60.0.
Alright, so do you guys want to have a go now?
I don't get that one. Yep.
Well,
If you want to have a go, you
we
can.
got a bunch of random numbers. I'm not sure that's right.
Okay.
I'm sure that's
G'day,
incorrect.
how are you?
That's all right.
I'm good. Reed, Celeste. G'day, Reed.
Sure that's incorrect.
I see the hot cross bun.
Oh, I see there's double hot cross buns. It's going to be a big hot cross bun.
I can see there's a hot cross bun piece. I cannot believe between you and Nikki you didn't do it.
No, you're wrong. You're
I
wrong
cannot
for the
believe that
answer.
she didn't do it. She failed. She beat you
I
down.
think I got that.
She beat you down big time. So you had those hot cross buns there earlier.
Early,
Yeah.
cut.
You cut. You're much better prepared. Okay.
Thank you, Brian. Thank you, Brian. This is Mr. Blake too. Have you met Todd?
Yeah, I forgot there was coming.
Yeah.
It got me in a real rock fuzz this morning.
Sure.
Mr. Ram, can you show me how to make a YouTube channel?
Yep, sure.
After Steve, I don't get how to do this one.
Right,
I don't
so
understand.
Alan's got a really good question.
I did teach you to your YouTube channel. I know how to make one.
Did you get the next one?
I see.
You don't make one.
No, I don't know how to make a second one. First one was made by Sky. Second one was just made.
So was it 8 into 0.8 into 6? So it's going to turn 8 into 60. Alright guys, so if you want to just eyes up here for a second. The fourth one after you do your decimal moving and stuff becomes 8 into 60. Does everyone agree with that?
Yep.
Yep. So Ella's got a really good question. She said, right, 8 into 6? 0. Can't do. So she said, right, 8 into 60.
It's 7. 7 remainder.
Cool. So you go 7 eighths of 56, and then we've got 4 left over. Now this is a way that this is sort of like a bit of a side lesson, but this is what we can do when you've got when you get something left over. So you got 4. So what you can do is put a decimal point here now. Because back in the old school, you might have just put 4, remainder 4. Yeah, but we can solve that better because we're good mathematicians. We can make that better. So Hamish, what you do is you put a decimal point and you put the remainder over here, and it's 4. Is that right? Yep. So now we put just another 0 down.
4, 0.
And now we're going to go 8s into 40.
5.
Is that a 5?
Yep.
Yep. So what's our answer?
7.5.
Can someone verify that on an electronic device? 60 divided by 8?
Finish.
So 7.5.
7.5. So back in the old school, you would have just put remainder 5.
7.5, see?
It's not 5. You would have put remainder 5. That's an R. But because you guys are level 4 mathematicians, you put a decimal point down, put the wee remainder down the bottom here, and then put a 0. And if you got another number left over, you would just put another 0 and put the number next to it, and then another 0 until you got all the decimal points. And if it got really ridiculous, you'd stop and then round it. Yep, or round it up. All right. Who's confident to have a go at the next few? Yep, Ella's got it. I think Ella's got it. Have you got it? Yeah. David, I think you've got it. Demi, you want a bit more, or are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay. And
Say comment, like, and subscribe.
remember, guys, to subscribe,
Comment and like.
comment, and
Goodbye.
like it. Goodbye.